Hey guys, hey, welcome. Hey, today I'm sharing 15 DoorDash tips and tricks that's gonna help you earn more money in 2024. But before I get to that, guys, I would like for you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video for you guys. So let's go. 15 DoorDash tips and tricks to help you earn more money in 2024. We're gonna get it rolling right now. Tip number one is finding the best time to drive. Listen guys, we all have options to work whenever we want to, but not all times are good times. My favorite, weekends 11 to 2, dinner 5 to 9. Some of you guys may like the late night hours. The late night hours can be good, but that is tip number one. Tip number two, schedule your dash ahead of time, guys. Scheduling your dash has a lot of benefits, preventing you from wasting time running around, running out your gas, trying to find these orders. Scheduling your dash ahead of time lets you choose the best times for you to dash in your area. Tip number three, know your area in your market. Know your area. This is going to make a big difference and affect the way that you make money and how many orders you get with DoorDash. Know your area. Know your area, guys. Tip number four, don't stay in those hot spots all day. You could be missing out on some good orders and in other busy areas. If you stand in that one zone, you're missing out on a lot of those good orders in other markets and other areas in your market. So please drive around a little bit. Tip number five, watch out for those no-tip orders. Stay away from those orders if all possible. Some of these customers expect drivers to take anything but and go 100 miles. Don't take those orders if possible. Stay away from those. Tip number six, pay close attention to your acceptance rate, guys. DoorDash has made some changes in this app regarding to acceptance rates. Yes, acceptance rate matters this time in 2024. Keep your acceptance rate 50% or above so you can get those good orders with DoorDash. Tip number seven, providing good customer service. You'll be surprised how much money you can earn just by providing some good customer service to your customers. Tip number eight, use hot and cold bags. Rather do I see dashers in my market using hot and cold bags anymore. Customers like to see how you're handling their food. Is it professionally or you just handling it any kind of way? And sometimes they'll tip you better if they know you are doing that, and they will remember you next time you come deliver. Okay, so use those hot and cold bags. Give them good customer service. And tip number nine, double check the orders before you're dropping off. Looking over those orders that you receive from these restaurants. Like I said, especially you want to make sure that you have the drinks and other side things that the customer requested. So look over your orders before you drop them off. Number 10, look professional. I know we all don't have to wear DoorDash gear, clothes, and all this, and hats and shirts and all, but you can look professional. You can look dressed. You can dress neatly and just look professional when you're dropping off your customers' food. Tip number 11, learning from other dashers in your area or content creators. It's okay to learn from other dashers in your area and content creators, but you gotta have to learn your own market. You gotta know what's worked best for you. So it's good to stay encouraged from other people. That's no problem. Tip number 12, join other dashing communities, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you're liking. Joining these communities can help and keep you encouraged and entertained when boredom comes around. We all get bored sometimes. We need a little bit of excitement. So joining these groups will really help you out this year and making some more money. Okay. Tip number 13, set daily goals or weekly goals, monthly goals. Having these goals can help you stay focused and motivated and keep pushing you forward into reaching your daily goals or your monthly goals. Have a goal set every day, guys. Okay. Tip number 14, do some multi-appings. Working these multi-apps can help you reach your daily goals faster or your monthly goals faster. Do some multi-appings, learn multi-apping. Tip number 15 of all, just enjoy yourself and have fun working with DoorDash. The best part of this opportunity is having fun, making money. Don't stress.